Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT, Tech Away, Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I'll be doing the unboxing, setup, and review of this UGREEN Bluetooth 6.0 adapter. So make sure to watch until the end. Don't miss out any parts of the video. I'll be covering everything. Okay, so the model number is CM748. A Bluetooth 6.0 is the latest Bluetooth version in the Bluetooth family, and of course there's a newer version which is 6.1 and 6.2 launched in this year. Bluetooth 6.1 is launched back in 2024, still very new, and most of the latest smartphone, tablet, Bluetooth earphones, and etc. audio devices are all supported Bluetooth 6.0. Yeah, and also Bluetooth 6.0 is backward compatible. So if you have a older Bluetooth device like Bluetooth 5.0, you still can use this adapter to connect, right? It's just that you won't get the improvement and new feature from the Bluetooth 6.0, right? Okay, later on I will talk about that, like what's so big of the deal of a Bluetooth 6.0, right? So this recycle and a very thick, like a user manual guide. Okay. All right, it teaches you how to set up the whole thing, which I'll be showing you guys later on. Yep, you won't need this because I'll be showing you guys the setup process. And the packaging itself is very simple, just a plastic bag with a zip, like a very nice. You can zip it. It's a space saving, okay? Yeah, because it's not a box and it's flat. Okay, model CM748, frequency band 2400 mHz ZAC to 2483.5 mHz ZAC. All the spec you can see, and the transmission distance is around 20 meters or 66 feet. No blocking. If there's a wall, it will affect the distance. Alright, compatible system Windows 7 to Windows 11, but Windows 7 you need driver installation required. If you are using Windows 8.1, 10 and 11, you don't need to download anything, no need download driver, you just plug it in and use it straight away. Okay, and what else? Quick start guide, same thing, and some government stuff, FCC stuff, and user instruction, same thing. And the thing itself, the Bluetooth adapter, is very small. This tiny little adapter, okay. And there's a cover here. Alright, I like the design itself. It's small and compact. I'm glad that UGREEN didn't use piano black, like a shiny finish, which is a fingerprint magnet, and there's a matte finish, so you won't attract any fingerprint, will leave any fingerprint. And this, if you have like bracelets or something, you can just hook it to this hole and then use it as a bracelet. You hang it around your neck so that you won't lose it. I don't know who will do it. It's an option for you to do that. Yeah, so that's the design. So this UGREEN Bluetooth 6.0 adapter can connect up to 5 devices at the same time, but I don't have 5 devices to connect right now, so these are the 3 I'm gonna test later. My Samsung Galaxy Bud 2, GravaStar M2 wireless mouse with Bluetooth function, and my Poco F5. I made videos about these 3 devices, you guys can check that out too. Before I plug it in, you need to plug it out or disable your existing Bluetooth adapter. In my case, is this. I have the Oracle Bluetooth 5.0 adapter, which I also make a video about this, a review video. You guys can check that out also. It's time to upgrade. Okay, let me plug it in. Alright, already plug it in. You can hear the notification sound. And so, as you can see here, so once you got connected, you can go to the device manager, basically just right click your start button and click device manager. As you can see, Barrett Bluetooth 6.0 adapter. So this is the UGREEN Bluetooth adapter now show up. And how can you make sure that this is really Bluetooth 6.0? You know, it's not just the name, right? You go to the property and go to the advanced, and you will see the LMP14. So LMP14 is Bluetooth 6.0, and LMP9 is Bluetooth 5.0, and so on. This is their protocol number. As you can see, this is for sure Bluetooth 6.0. So this is how you check your Bluetooth version. So right now, go to setting. I'm gonna connect the devices that I mentioned just now to test out the latency and everything, the performance and so on. Okay, first thing first, I'm gonna connect my Samsung Galaxy Buds 2. All right. So let me add device Bluetooth. Yeah, right now I can recognize my my Galaxy Buds 2. So just click connect, and it connected straight away. Even though my Galaxy Buds 2 is not Bluetooth 6.0, it's connect immediately. I think it's Bluetooth 5. Yeah, pretty fast. Let me try it out. Okay, yeah, it has sound. I can hear the sound right now. Just let me try just to play a song. Okay. I'm wearing right now. The latency is not that obvious. All right, I play pause immediately. Yeah, sounds good. Connection, there's no stutter, anything. Everything goes smoothly. All right, so next, I'm gonna connect my GravaStar M2 wireless mouse with Bluetooth feature. Okay, just to turn on the Bluetooth. Wait, yep, Bluetooth. And same deal. Go to add device and Bluetooth, and let's see whether I can find my mouse or not. Hey, let me try again. Wait. Okay, right now let me try everything else. Seems like Bluetooth can't detect. Let me try again. Okay, right now it's flashing, but I still can't find the. All right, back to the connection for the my mouse. All right, I just figured out the problem is I need to remove the model first from my previous Bluetooth adapter, then only I can connect. Let me try again. Flip the switch to Bluetooth pairing mode. There's an unknown device, but it shouldn't be unknown device. It should show the name of this model itself. I don't know why this happened. I already unpaired from my previous Bluetooth adapter, and it's still not working. Okay, don't know why it's that. Never mind. Move on to my phone first. Let me deal with that later. Okay. Okay, I already turned on my straight away recognize my Poco F5 and connect. Pair, connect. And it connected straight away. Okay, I have to press connect. Where's my Poco? Oh yeah, it's already connected. I figured out how to send the image. So you have to do it through this method. Yeah, click receive a file. Then I will go to my gallery and send the image. Okay, this image, and then click Bluetooth. Oh, that's Facebook. Sorry, my bad. It looks like Bluetooth. I mean, both are the same color. Yeah, master PC. and right now the file is being received. So this is the way to do it. I thought like I can just send straight away through the Bluetooth and click without initiate the receive file. Okay, that's different. So it works. It works now. Our location finished. Find that file. It's at the document. Yeah, that's it. All right. You see, I received the file. Okay, it works. Let me take another device, which is my IKEA Vappeby Bluetooth, right? Bluetooth speaker. Okay, try out. Yep, you recognize immediately Vappeby portable and connected straight away. Let me play some music. Oh yeah. Okay. I need to switch it to the sound to the speaker itself, because right now it's playing the music to my headphones, earphones, Galaxy Buds 2. So switch it to Vappeby. Yeah, can you hear? Yes. The music is coming from my speaker here. Okay, when I pause it, immediately it syncs immediately. So there's no delay or latency, anything. Pretty good. All right, that's it. Just want to try it out. So far, audio devices connected immediately. There's no latency. Pretty good. As for the mouse, I'm having a hard time to connect, trying to find this device, and it just won't find my mouse. I don't know why. It just wouldn't find the device right now. Yeah. So this is the only device that failed the test. I think it's the mouse problem, because as you can see, right, all the device I show you just now, the Vappeby portable Bluetooth speaker works fine. The Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 wireless Bluetooth earphones also works fine, connected immediately. And my Poco F5 also connected. I think it's the device itself got problem. It's not the Bluetooth adapter problem. So that's my testing here. So what's the benefit of upgrading to Bluetooth 6.0? With Bluetooth 6.0, key upgrades compared to Bluetooth 5.0 will be the Bluetooth channel sounding, a standout new feature. It enables secure, accurate distance measurements and improve audio performance and lower latency, also faster and more efficient device discovery pairing, and other enhancements like the better overall link layer efficiency, extended feature sets, improved security in ranging, advertising, and optimization for dense device networks, for example, IoT setup. So in practice, you will notice that the biggest real-world difference is much more precise Bluetooth-based tracking / location, like finding keys or remotes accurately, smoother, lower lag wireless audio, especially with future LE audio devices, quicker pairing / reconnection, and better battery life in busy Wi-Fi Bluetooth environments. So those are the key upgrades and benefit that you will get using Bluetooth 6.0. But you have to make sure that your device is also support Bluetooth 6.0. So if you get this Bluetooth adapter 6.0 but your devices all like Bluetooth 5, Bluetooth 5.4, you are not going to get all those benefits and upgrades that I mentioned just now for the Bluetooth 6.0. So it will remain back to the Bluetooth 5 and 5.4 the feature that time. Okay, so you have to make sure both ends supports Bluetooth 6.0 in order to enjoy all the great features and improvements of Bluetooth 6.0. That's basically what I'm talking about. Do you really need to upgrade to Bluetooth 6.0? if you have existing Bluetooth 5.0 adapter? The answer is no. If you don't have any Bluetooth 6.0 devices that you are using right now, that you're having right now, then you no need to upgrade, because you're not gonna enjoy all those benefits. However, if you have Bluetooth 6.0 devices, then go ahead and upgrade to this UGREEN Bluetooth 6.0 adapter. I mean, the price is affordable, it's reasonable, performance-wise, pretty good. So based on this quick review, I don't find any problem beside the one that I mentioned. Yeah, but that's it. All right, that concludes the unboxing, setup, and review of this UGREEN 6.0 Bluetooth adapter. The price, I forgot to talk about the price. This cost me about 17 ringgit and 90 cents after all the voucher discount on Shopee. This is not a sponsored video, but if you guys want to buy it, you can click the product tab, it will show up, or the link, the Shopee link down below. It will help out the channel, earn some commission. But usually the price, it stay at 22 ringgit and 90 cents. For 22 ringgit and 90 cents is pretty reasonable and affordable price for Bluetooth 6.0 adapter. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Share this video to your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.